Hey everyone, today we're diving into the AOC 24G15N gaming monitor, a budget-friendly 24-inch screen that promises high-speed performance without breaking the bank. If you're into fast-paced games and want smooth gameplay, stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know before buying. Design and display, the 24G15N features a sleek, frameless, three-sided design that not only looks modern, but also makes multi-monitor setups a breeze. The 24-inch Full HD panel is perfect for gamers who want a compact screen without sacrificing speed or performance. Speaking of speed, this monitor hits a blazing 180 Hz refresh rate with a 1 millisecond response time, giving you ultra-smooth gameplay. Whether you're playing fast-paced FPS games or action-packed titles, you'll notice minimal motion blur and crisp visuals that keep you ahead of the competition. Console compatibility and features. If you're a console gamer, you'll appreciate that the AOC 24G15 supports 120Hz on PS5 and Xbox Series X, while also reducing input lag. Features like AOC shadow control enhance visibility in dark scenes, making it easier to spot enemies lurking in shadows. The VA panel offers solid contrast, and you can fine-tune your experience with the AOC GMU software, giving you personalized control over brightness, colors, and other settings. Connectivity and practical use. The monitor comes well equipped with HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and an audio output, so connecting your PC or console is straightforward. Whether you're gaming solo or building a multi-monitor rig, you won't run into connectivity issues. Drawbacks. Of course, no monitor is perfect. Color accuracy and peak brightness aren't as strong as IPS panels, and some users might find 1080p limiting on a 24-inch screen if they want extra detail. But for most competitive gamers, the high refresh rate and low latency far outweigh these compromises. Conclusion: overall, the AOC 24G15N is an excellent choice for gamers who prioritize speed and responsiveness without spending a fortune. It's packed with features that truly matter during intense gameplay, making it a solid, cost-effective pick. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest gaming gear reviews, and drop a comment with the next product you want me to review. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!